today we'll talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Temu app. So you just go down here, you click on your down here, when you just click here on you, so then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Go above settings, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. Then you click here on notifications, you just click on it. Then you come to next step here. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, so you come here to avatar and username sharing. Just click here on edit. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. You click here in this sign, like you see this color show for us here. That's mean avatar and username sharing enable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.